Is Robinhood about to break down? I'm Brent with Trade Therapy. Welcome back to the Trading Couch. We spotlighted Robinhood for clarity last week, and the lesson was really simple. Oversold isn't a signal, location is. Robinhood is our test case this week. It had a violent reset into a level that institutions have already proven that they cared about. So the question is pretty straightforward. Is this a defendable reset? Or is this just a bounce window inside a larger repair phase that's going to break down and distribute lower? Before we get into the charts, quick disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. It's not investment advice. Trading involves risk, including the risk of loss. Always trade according to your own plan and according to your own risk tolerance. Full disclosure, we don't have a position in Robinhood. This clip is a supplement to Clarity, our weekly educational service. Each week, we break down the hottest trades with a top-down view of the sector and related peers. Then we do a deep dive into our spotlight, our featured analysis using the institutional business cycle. As our guide, every issue includes bullish and bearish scenario, as well as trade considerations for all of the charts that we covered. It's not investment advice, but it's how we would handle trades if we were in them. If you like our videos, you're going to love Clarity. There's a QR code up in a second that'll get you 10% off. See you back here on the Trading Couch next time.